Football now, the Red Stripe Premier League will come to an end in 2 days' time. In a repeat of last year's final, the title holders, Portmore United, will take on Waterhouse at the National Stadium in their fourth and final matchup of the season.
It's hard to pick a favourite for the final. That's because there is little to choose between Portmore United and Waterhouse. They have met on 3 occasions this season, but there were no takers as all 3 games ended in a draw. Results that make many believe this game could again go the distance as it did last season when Portmore came away winners on penalties.
If you're going by, all 3 games that we played this season, 2-2, 1-1, 0-0. In all 3 games, we finished stronger, and we have confidence in our preparation. What we've been consistent throughout the season. We didn't have any major dip in form or play, so we're right where we want to be.
For Waterhouse coach Marcel Gale, results so far showed there is a case of an incomplete season.
What I seen the last game when we played at Spanish Town Prison Oval give me a sense of where and what must be done, and I see it in the game, the last game, Portmore play against Mount Pleasant. So we are here working on what's supposed to do.
Portmore's midfielder Andre Lewis gets the chance to play in his first Premier League final.
Play Manning Cup, win Manning Cup. That's the last tournament I win before I leave the country for the last 5 years. So it would mean a lot to me winning, come back first season back, couple months, and I win a trophy to clear my mind and everything, knowing that I'm back in my country and I win.
And it would mean everything for the Waterhouse duo of Denelson Simpson and Andre Fletcher, who didn't see Waterhouse win in 2006, the last time they won the title.
It would mean a lot because as a young player to win such a major title is a wonderful feeling.
It would mean a lot, and for the other younger player and also for the senior players them as well, because it's been a while now and I think now is the time.
The final will take place at 8:35 p.m. with a third place playoff set for 5:30. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.